Alright, hi guys. So today I want to teach you the basics of programming using the browser, your Google browser. You're obviously watching me from any browser, Google browser, Edge, Opera, and everything else, Safari. So I just want to teach you the basics of programming, and we're going to use the JavaScript programming. So in this case, let's assume you're using Google Chrome, because for this video I'm using Google Chrome. So open up your Google Chrome like I've done and press Command Shift C to open up what we call Developer Console. In Windows, I believe it's Control Shift C and it will pop up. When it pops up, I think it should come with this. So you quickly select on console, and then from there, that's when you quickly select on console, and then from there, that's where we start writing our JavaScript. So let's do this. First thing I want to teach you the variables. Variables, as the name suggests, a variable is anything that can change. So it varies. So in this case, let's say var. In JavaScript, we're going to name our variable. We're going to define our variables with the keyword var. This is what we call a keyword. So say var name equal to I'll put my name. So I'll say Jacob. You can put your name as well. So I'll say Jacob, and then we put a semicolon at the end. Okay, so enter. Woo! What is the problem there? Okay, so it says undefined, so there is no problem there. Now if you want to know what the variable holds, when you just say name and press enter, you see it's Jacob. So this is how when you see an application on your phone says, or maybe Siri says, "Hi, I'm Siri. What can I call you?" And then you say Jacob. Siri saves Jacob and a variable, for example, name. So the next time Siri is trying to mention you or call you, in the code it says hi name, but then Siri is going to replace the name with the value that is Jacob. So it's going to say hi Jacob. So in this case, this is a variable. We're calling this a variable, and this is a value. The value is what you store inside the variable. So the variable can change. I might now say, well, name, I want name to be Jen. So name is now Jen. So if I say name, you see, name is Jen, which means if my application asked me what my name was and I say Jacob, and then the next day Jen came through and said, my name is not Jacob, I want to say Jane. So you type Jane, and the next time it say Jane. So let's say there's a quick one. Let's just say we want to print out the name. So we can say console. So we say my name is, and then we leave space, and then we put a plus, and we just put the name. So we're saying my name is, oh sorry, I meant to say console.log. So we're saying that it should log in this console, this page where we're in. So it says my name is Jen. You see? So what if I just say name is now Joseph? See? And then I bring up the same command to say, okay, log in this console the name. So I say my name is, see, my name is Joseph. So in less than 5 minutes, you've learned what a variable is. And in every programming language that you come across, we use variables and values. The variable changes and you just assign a value to it. So the variable is the actual container that is storing whatever you're giving it, and the value is whatever you're putting inside. So I think for a start, this is all, guys. Until the next one.